At welterweight, it's a much more difficult proposition.
Big right hand, and Rios winks at Bradley after taking it.
I think that's saying a lot, Jim, saying that this guy depends on heart.
But I know what Jim means, Roy, in the sense that
Boxing style, stand up to the hard guy, Rios, who would have gone right at it.
would have been a guy with a really good beard. Never stopped. But look what
Down
happens.
goes Rios on an uppercut following 3 straight from a really good fighter who is fighting his best. And Brandon can't even throw. Down again. That's going to be the end of the fight. Tony Weeks is going to wave it off. A knockout victory for Tim Bradley with 11 seconds left.
Muli na namang naulit ang ginawa ni Pacquiao kay Brandon Rios at sa pagkakataong ito ay mas masaklap pa ang sinapit ng Mexicano nang lamugin ito ng isa sa hari ng welterweight division na si Timothy Bradley.
Sometimes a guy with a really good beard never stopped. But look what
Down
happens.
goes Rios on an uppercut following 3 straight super solid body shots.
November 7, 2015 nang magkaharap ang tinaguriang Desert Storm na si Timothy Bradley para idepensa ang kanyang WBO welterweight title kontra sa tinaguriang Bambam ng Mexico na si Brandon Rios. Ito ang unang title defense si Bradley mula nang ma-elevate ito bilang WBO champion matapos i-elevate mula interim champion hanggang sa full champion nang tanggalin ito ng organisasyon kay Mayweather. Ito din ang unang laban ni Bradley sa pangangalaga ng bago nitong trainer na si Teddy Atlas. Simula nang matalo kay Pacquiao sa ikalawang paghaharap ay hindi na naging maganda ang performance ni Bradley kung saan tumabla pa sa kanya si Diego Chavez at muntik pang bumagsak kontra kay Jesse Vargas. Kaya naman tinanggal na ni Bradley sa kanyang kampo ang long-time trainer nito na si Joel Diaz na siyang naging trainer nito nang masilat si Pacquiao sa una nilang paghaharap. Sa kabilang dako naman ay itinuturing na underdog si Rios na halos isang taon na ang inactivity nito. Bukod pa dyan ay lumobo ng husto ang Mexicano habang wala itong laban. Kaya naman ayon sa mga balita ay mas pinagtutuunan nito ng pansin ang pagbabawas ng timbang na kinulang naman sa paghahanda ng mga game plan para sa laban. Tiwala naman ang trainer ni Rios na si Robert Garcia na mananalo ang kanyang bata. Sinabi pa nito na nasa pinakamagandang kondisyon ng kanyang karir si Rios. Ina-knockout pa nga daw ni Rios si Bradley gamit ang kanilang game plan. At ang ipinagmamalaking game plan ni Rios ay ang ginamit nito kontra kay Pacquiao na sugod lang ng sugod at umaasa makakapagpatama ng solid. Subalit pagdating sa mismong laban ay literal na bumaliktad ang mundo ni Rios na magmistulang walking punching bag ito bago tuluyang pabagsakin ni Bradley. Sa opening round pa lamang ay nagpaulan na agad ng mga kombinasyon at power punches si Bradley.
Under the crucible of the action in the ring.
That seems good.
I think I already see more foot movement.
This is what you have to wonder about that. Will the foot movement take too much
To
energy?
get countered after he gets his shots off.
And by doing so, he's limiting Rios'.
Once he tasted enough leather, he was going to start fighting back. So I think shortly here, we're going to have us a phone booth battle.
We already do.
I think Bradley feels comfortable in there right now and doesn't feel that he's in danger. We'll see if he's right.
Here's the footwork again.
Oh, good body shot by Brandon.
Really good body shot. I agree.
And that hurt Rios, and Brandon knows it.
Momentarily, Rios. Seconds to go in round 1. Hard right hand by Bradley. Big left hook upstairs. Round 1 dominated by Tim Bradley, who set the pace.
Sa round 2 naman ay nagsisimula na makipagsabayan si Rios kahit na makailang beses itong tinatamaan ng mga kombinasyon at solid punches.
Life in Garden City, Kansas, has lived for the last several years in California.
From the counterpunch, you don't expect Rios to do a lot of low starter somewhat, but like that's a good hook by him.
Rios misses with a left hook. Good hook to the body by Rios. Extremely prominent here in Las Vegas in recent years. Right hand over the top sleeve with headshot.
Yeah, but he's a light heavy, so he does not have power in the light heavyweight division. But fortunately for him, he's fighting at welterweight.
Good up.
Rios was able to start pressuring him and start dictating the terms of the fight, even as Bradley was outboxing him.
Pro, regardless of the consequences.
Now Brandon is right where he doesn't want to be, which is right in there with Rios, because this is Rios' fight.
Yep, Teddy said he doesn't mind him in there for 2 or 3 shots.
Low blow by Rios was on the opposite side from Weeks. He didn't see it.
Dikit naman ang bakbakan sa round 3 kung saan kumukonekta ang mga kombinasyon ni Bradley, subalit nakakabawi naman si Rios tuwing magdidikit ang dalawa.
Round and then again in this round, looking like he was the boss, like Dick did not have that same kind of intensity to start the round. He sustained that and control Rios.
Back of the discouraging situation here, Jim. You want to box, but the more you try to box, this guy's constantly walking you down. So you feel like you're giving him use all of his gas just trying to box. And it's going to be to no avail.
Some middleweights in the 60s, Georgie Benton and others. And they were responsible defensively, but they...
Good right hand, my friend.
Oh, hard body shot by Raps. Managed to get Tony Weeks' attention on the low blow. Rios got away with a couple of good ones in the second round.
Yeah, but Weeks saw that one. That one was very hard to get him out of what the coach wants him to do. The coach wants him to throw 1 or 2. He can't throw 1 or 2 in lead. He got to stay here and fight his back.
Well, when Brandon Rios is on
Right now, and that's what's going to make it very difficult and make it hard for Tim to do it.
Pagpasok naman ng round 4 ay bahagyang nawawala sa game plan si Bradley, kung saan ibinibigay nito ang gusto ni Rios na bakbakan.
away from him again. He outworked him just like he's doing now. So more punches, outworked the first appearance with Teddy Atlas. And as this transition takes hold but has not had time,
Well, I think that's one of the reasons this pairing with Teddy could be great for Tim Bradley, great for both of them. Because it takes time for it to, as you said, sink in, for it to become muscle memory.
Shot by Bradley.
Right, Rios is an especially dangerous fighter, considering those circumstances.
Bradley has the quicker hands, the high rate.
But this is what Brandon wants, Jim. He wants him to wear himself down as much as he can, so that in the later rounds, he can be more equipped to get him out of there.
Even if he didn't, right?
As long as it doesn't knock him out, he's fine with it. But Bradley fighting hard.
Bradley should stay with that right hand to the body. That's been his best punch in terms of inflicting the deck. Haven't been too many of them, but that was a smart time to do it.
Pagsapit ng round 5 ay unti-unti na namang nagiging walking punching bag si Brandon Rios. Sa
In the late rounds,
Set as often as Parker does.
Rios could have stayed at lightweight for his entire career. I think he might have become the best lightweight. It's a much more than proposition. With his finesse, with his boxing style, stands up to the hard guy, Rios, who would have gone right at it.
Would have been a great fight, but I'll tell you what.
Bradley's landing some very hard, clean shots. Old habits die hard, though.
Takes time to unlearn.
kabila naman ng pagpipressure ni Rios sa round 6 ay tuloy-tuloy pa din ito sa pagmumog ng mga suntok.
He's in very good shape.
Exactly. He's throwing some really good shots too tonight. You see him throwing some hooks with really bad intention on him.
Around his right eye. Left hook. And now sticks the jab. Rios hasn't thrown anything.
Bradley's head on the side as Teddy wants.
Getting a quick left hook and he moves away.
Doing much smoother, much quicker punches on the inside.
Four-punch combination.
On the inside, like you said, man.
And Garcia knows what he has in his charge because they've been together for so long.
Tim Bradley this effective as a combination puncher because the target is easy, or whether it's because he had
First step in that direction.
and the pattern continues of Bradley landing 3 times as many clean punches.
Pagpasok ng round 7 ay nakuha na ni Bradley ang buong kumpiyansa nito, habang si Rios naman ay hindi pa din nag-a-adjust ng kanyang game plan.
I see our game plan. I mean, he wants to get to. You know, the whole idea is control the geography, counter him, and then move around him. When you
Is he doing a good job of implementing what he's learned?
yeah, very good. I mean, very good. Listen, you're kind of easy to impress anyway, Max. I mean, but no, I mean, listen, but it's not over. We got to do it all night long.
Less than a minute to go in round 7. Rios and Roy Jones hasn't happened in this round.
No, Jim, I think a lot of times at the heavier weight, and it's hard to get yourself back to being quick and should have a lot of days in the gym of being sharp. Most of his days have been slow, heavy, and this is how he's looking tonight. So he has more days.
Sa round 8 ay tila wala nang ibubuga si Rios na maging si Robert Garcia ay naiinis na sa ginagawa nito.
Full speech in the corner, and Tim responded to it. You could see it. He was
Look at this.
digging it.
I think this could turn out to be a
Brad,
I know the bulk of it is rehydration and the consumption. He loves tacos.
yeah, no, he's quite open about it. And his camp is open.
When talking about the difficulty of dealing with Brandon Rios.
He knows what he has.
Like this.
Pagsapit ng round 9 ay tuluyan ng bumigay ang katawan ni Rios.
In with an amazing knockout, or it's going to be more of the same down to the finish of the fight.
Teddy and the training he does with Bradley, you might think, well, look, Bradley and Rios as what?
As a potential opponent for Pacquiao at 140 or 147.
Has the potential of Effort is in his physical prime and fighting at in rarefied air right now. Sometimes the guy with a really good beard never stops. But look what
Down
happens.
goes Rios on an uppercut following 3 straight super solid body shots by
Brandon, all right, I'll give you a chance. All right, here we go.
Brandon's got a lot of heart, but he's taking a lot of punishment from a really good fighter who is fighting his best. Brandon can't even throw. Down again. That's going to be the end of the fight. Tony Weeks is going to wave it off. A knockout victory for Tim Bradley with 11 seconds left in round 9.
Knockout ang inabot ni Rios na umpisa pa lamang ng laban ay kitang-kita na wala talaga itong pag-asa na manalo. Hindi man nagawang mapabagsak sa pamamagitan ng mga suntok sa muka ay naging kahinaan naman ni Rios ang kanyang bodega dahil na din sa kawalan nito sa tamang kondisyon. Dahil sa pagkapanalo ay napanatili ni Bradley ang kanyang WBO welterweight title. Matapos ang knockout win kontra kay Rios ay muling hinarap ni Bradley si Pacquiao sa ikatlong pagkakataon matapos ang 5 buwan, subalit bigo ito na may panalo ang laban at tuluyan ang nagretiro. Habang si Rios naman ay muli na namang nakatikim ng knockout kontra kay Danny Garcia. Dahil sa estilo ni Rios na sugod ng sugod at di alintana ang mga sinasalong suntok ay tinagurian ito ng mga boxing fans bilang walking punching bag.
Bago ka umiksit ay pwede mong subukan ang Ace Game kung saan pwede kang manalo at kumita habang naglalaro. I-click lang ang download link na nasa comment section. Pagkatapos mong ma-install ay mag-register ka lang sa mismong app gamit ang iyong mobile number at hintayin na magte-text sa'yo ng OTP o one-time password kung saan ilalagay mo naman ito sa verification code at huwag kalimutan na ilagay ang ating referral code na nasa comment section at pagkatapos ay pwede ka na maglaro ng games na gusto mo. Pwede ka ding mag-cash in gamit ang iyong GCash account at pindutin mo lang ang tutorial button para sa mabilis na pagka-cash in. Maraming game na pwedeng pagpilian dito. May Dragon Tiger, ang mines kung saan iiwasan mo lang ang mines, ang toss a coin kung saan pipili ka lang kung heads or tail, at marami pang mga laro na pwede mong subukan. At kung gusto mo namang i-withdraw ang laman ng wallet mo ay napakadali lang din dahil via GCash lang din ito. Ganun lang kadali sumali dito sa Ace Game kaya mag-download na gamit ang link sa baba.